This is the greatest threat to our country since its founding, in my opinion.
President Donald Trump speaks at the Faith and Freedom Coalition Road to Majority Conference. He says we have to uphold religious liberty, and he criticized the previous administration for persecuting Catholics and other people of faith.
They turned a nation founded on freedom for believers into a place where Catholics were targeted by the FBI, where pro-life grandmothers were put in jail for praying, and where members of our military were thrown out of the armed forces for their religious beliefs.
The Faith and Freedom Coalition says it advocates for Christian values. The group's annual conference also featured Cabinet Secretaries Scott Bessent and Scott Turner.
President Trump is restoring our religious liberties and rooting out anti-Christian bias throughout the federal government.
Turner says the power of prayer has been evident in our country. And President Trump told attendees, we saved religious freedom in America.
With God, all things are possible.
Republicans at the event say they are hopeful about the upcoming midterm elections, even though Democrats are making inroads in elections across the country and could resume control of the House or Senate.
But the biggest thing we have to do is we have to stop this horrible thread of cancer that's permeating our country called communism.